In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Framer code. We'll be using Framer's interface along with a plugin to turn a section or element from your project into exportable code. The key thing to know before you begin is that the item you want to export should first be made into a component, because that's what the export tool will work with. Start by opening Framer, then click on the project you want to work on so it opens in the editor. Once you're inside the project, locate the specific section or element you want to export. Right-click on that item to open the context menu, and then choose Create Component. Framer will prompt you to confirm, so click Create to finish turning that element into a component. After that, click on Canvas to make sure you're back in the main workspace. From there, open Plugins. If you don't immediately see the tool you need, click Browse All to open the full plugin library. In the search bar, type React Export. This will help you quickly find the correct plugin without scrolling through the entire list. When it appears, click on React Export and then run the plugin. Once the plugin opens, look for the option labeled Export Components and click it. That will begin the export process for the component you created earlier. A helpful tip here is to double check that you selected the correct section before creating the component, since exporting the right element from the start will save you time later. It's also a good idea to keep your components clearly organized inside Framer so they're easier to identify when you're ready to export. And that's it. You've opened your Framer project, converted the desired element into a component, launched the React Export plugin, and exported your component code. If you follow those steps in order, the process is quick and straightforward.